In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the share location unavailable, please try again later error on iMessage. This can be a particularly frustrating issue, but luckily we've got a full guide to help you resolve it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your internet connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or using cellular data, make sure your connection is stable and active. Without a solid internet connection, iMessage and location services might not work properly. Next, we'll need to make sure that your location services are enabled. Head over to your iPhone settings, scroll down to privacy and security, and tap on location services. Once you're there, check to see if location services is toggled on. If it's turned off, just switch it on. This feature is crucial for sharing your location, and having it active is a must. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can solve the problem. Turn your iPhone off, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your phone restarts, try sharing your location again to see if the issue is resolved. This step can refresh your phone's operations and surprisingly fix many minor glitches. Keeping your iPhone's software up to date ensures that you have the latest bug fixes from Apple, which might include solutions to any issues with location sharing. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on General, then select Software Update. If you see an update available, go ahead and install it. New software versions often include fixes for bugs that might be affecting your iMessage functionality. It's also important to ensure that your date and time settings are correct, as discrepancies here can cause issues with location services. Navigate to Settings, go to General, then Date and Time. Here, you should enable the options set automatically to make sure your device is using the correct time zone. If none of these steps work, try signing out of iMessage and then signing back in. To do this, go to Settings, then navigate to Messages, tap on Send and Receive, select your Apple ID and choose to sign out. After a moment, sign back in and check if location sharing is functioning as it should. Should the problem persist, resetting your network settings might be necessary. Go to Settings, tap General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you know them before proceeding. Finally, if none of these solutions fix the issue, it's worth checking the Apple System Status page to see if iMessage servers are experiencing any downtime. Sometimes the problem isn't with your device at all, but with Apple's servers. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the share location unavailable, please try again later error. I hope this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching.